Oh boy, I sure do love making video games. Wow, this is great. I sure hope I don't lose motivation and forget to do episode 1 of my devlog series. That would be awful. Oh, speaking of the devlog series, when did I release the episode 0? Let's check it out. Video games. Video games. Video games. Video games. What's up guys, welcome to episode 1 of the Cube Run Development Blog thing. Full disclosure, I did try to record this like immediately after I made the episode 0, but it ended up looking like garbage and I didn't make as much progress as I wanted to, so I'm going to do like recap what happened instead of recording every day of every week, which is a format that I don't think really works for me. To start with, I destroyed the placeholder tile screen, which I know it was beautiful, it really represented the game for what it was, but it had to go, it just had to go. And I changed it, I replaced it with a different placeholder tile screen because I wanted to add a level selection menu. So I did that, and the code for it is absolute garbage, and the method I used to implement it was also garbage, but hey, it works. I'm going to have to fix the code, refactor it, change it, all that stuff, but for now, it's in development, so as long as it works, it's fine. It's really not fine like this. Look at this, look. What the fuck was I thinking? This is as if I was going if this, then do that, but if not, then that. It's like an else if situation almost. It may work great for some developers and they may make a lot of money doing that, but for me, well, I'm not really above that. Clearly did all this, but I will have to change that. So next thing I did was make a little logo, which also looks a bit shite, but it works for now. It's pretty good, and it's almost like concept art of what I want the final logo to be like, so get ready for that. And then I made the tile screen look, more close to what I wanted to look like, but it's still technically a placeholder. The way I made the background move is also a bit weird, but because it only runs once when the player starts the game and then never again, I don't think I'm going to change the code that much. I have fixed a handful of bugs, a lot of things that weren't really working, like this weird, you can see right here, this weird particle glitch thing that happened back in episode 0. Fix that. Yeah, at this point, the game is at 100% full feature parity with the old version that I lost in an accident. And yeah, that's great. It's only using the infinite run mode, which I don't think I'm going to add just yet. I want to get the mechanics really down pat before I do that. But yeah, that's more for the other week. I know it's not too exciting, but progress is progress. And yeah, I think that what I want to do next is really fix that awful level code thing, word data thing, because it's really garbage. And maybe start on adding little cutscenes and that, or at least the the code necessary to make that work. But no, it's really a world of possibilities. Also, one thing you may have noticed is that in the word data you can see that I have little objects for word 1, word 2, word 3, word 4, and word SP. And I said in the last episode that I would have 16 levels divided in 4 words, but then I decided that's not a lot of levels, that's more fit for a demo or something. So I made that word SP thing as a little bit of future proofing, and technically each word could have infinite levels, but I decided to make like 4 per world because that's what Mario 1 did like back ages ago, and I'm just one guy making all this. So just to start with, I think that 16 levels is okay, like that's manageable. But yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this in the last episode, but when I started making this, I hadn't made a platformer yet. Like, this was a beginner project that I planned to do, to make that like, to start making that, because I have a huge idea for a game I want to make, which I won't spoil you it and I won't really reveal it, just in case that someone who is smarter than me, aka every other developer out there, sees that idea and thinks, that's very interesting, I'm going to steal that. It's obviously not going to happen, but a little irrational fear that I have. So yeah, before I did that, I wanted to make Cube to make like a little beginner and a smaller project to start with. But then I joined the game jam and I made Missing Texture. So yeah, between Missing Texture and now Cube I will have 2 platforms in the back. And I'm thinking of making Cube like almost like a spiritual sequel to Missing Texture, like in the sense that the mechanics and such will be pretty much the same, but I don't know if that's kind of cheating, So yeah, that's all I did for the devlog. One more episode in the bag, and I'm sorry if that wasn't too interesting, but I tried so hard, I got so far. And in the end, yeah, if you enjoyed it, destroy, absolutely demolish that like button and fucking commit war crimes. That's just fucking. And yeah, see you next episode. Bye.
Vira pa' otro lado, guatón culiao, chancho, coche tu madre.